Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 846, and in this video I will show you how to put applications on full screen on this laptop. To put an application on full screen, you can either double click its top bar and then double click it again to demaximize the window. Alternatively, you can click this icon, square icon in the top right corner of the window, or you can grab the top bar of the window and drag it to the top of the display. Then you can drag it down to demaximize the window. And that's how you put your application on a full screen. The one additional options that you may need to use is simply pressing F11 button, and in case F11 doesn't put your window on a full screen, you have to press the Fn and the left shift button at the same time, and then try pressing F11 once again, and this will also put your device on a full screen. Now in order to exit full screen like this, you have to press F11 once again, and that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.